In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a from in New Outlook. Whether you just need to pick a different sending address once or you want the from line to always be visible when you compose, I'll walk you through both approaches clearly and simply. Let's start with the quick one-time method. Open a new email message so you're in the Compose window. At the top, switch to the Options tab. In the Show Fields group, select From. As soon as you do, the From field appears above the to line in your message. This is where you control which address you're sending from. Click the From field to open the drop-down menu. If you already have additional addresses or shared mailboxes you're allowed to use, you'll see them listed and can pick the one you want. If the address you need isn't shown, choose Other Email Address to type it in manually. A quick tip here: Outlook only lets you send from addresses you have permission to use. If an address doesn't appear or messages bounce back when you pick it, it usually means you need to be granted Send As or Send on Behalf permissions by your administrator or account owner. Now, if you prefer to always see the From field whenever you start a new message, you can make that permanent in Settings. In the main Outlook window, click the Settings gear in the top right corner. From there, select Mail and then go to Compose and Reply. Scroll or look for the From Address section and check the box labeled Always Show From. Click Save to confirm your change. That's it now. Every time you compose a new email, the From line will be visible by default, saving you a couple of clicks and making it easy to confirm you're sending from the right account before you hit send. To recap, the first method is perfect when you occasionally need to reveal the From line and choose a different address for a single message. The second method is ideal if you frequently send from multiple accounts or a shared mailbox and want that field visible every time. Keep in mind that the drop-down list is tied to accounts and aliases already connected to Outlook and the permissions your organization has granted. If you don't see an address you expect, that's typically a permissions or account setup detail rather than a problem with the From feature itself.